Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius, your favorite tech channel. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video I'll be comparing two exceptional applications, namely Textnow and Nextplus. Well, both of these applications have 10 million plus downloads in the Google Play Store, and both of these applications have unique features on their own. And in this video I'll be comparing few more important things such as the sign up problems and the ways to solve it. So guys, do not skip any part of this video and watch this video until the end if you want to learn more everything about these two applications and to decide which application to use for your own self or for your business purposes. So guys, now let's just straightly dive into the video. But oh, one more thing before diving into the video, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, then just go click on the subscribe button and the bell button near to the subscribe button in order to receive daily updates from my channel. Okay, so guys, now this is the Textnow application which I'm showing to you. Take a good look at it. This is the page which you get when you actually install the application. And guys, remember, this video does not cover the in-depth reviews of both applications. If you want an in-depth review of the Nextplus or the Textnow application, then please go take a look at the description or the first comment. I would have pinned a comment, or I would left links to the videos which would redirect you to the to these videos which I'm showing you on the screen. So guys, before quitting this video, please go take a look at the description and the first comment. There will be few more important videos which will help you in your technical journey. Number one, if I'm going to tell you guys about the errors and stuffs, well, Textnow has primarily 4 errors which has been occurring from the start of this year. That is, right now the date which I'm taking this video is going to be 24th of December, and all of these problems started emerging from the Textnow's update for the Textnow application. Well, if you want to learn more about what is this update about and why is this problems happening in the Textnow application, then please go take a look at this video. This video has also been posted in my channel. This video's link will be in the description and the first comment. Even if it's not available, please go take a look at it inside my channel. Now the first error is going to be the installation error, which actually occurs when you are trying to download this application from the Google Play Store. This application is actually not available for as you can see, the error is clearly stated, this app isn't available on Google Play in your region. Well, this is because this application is now limited to the US and Canada people only. Guys, and first of all, I'll explain you guys the problems, and then I'll show you guys how to solve these problems. Well, the next error is the sign up error, which when you go and click on the sign up option when making an account, this error is going to be displayed to you. This error is the most troublesome error. I mean, I cannot say this is the most troublesome error. Well, all of the 4 errors are troublesome, but this and the final 4th error is going to be the most irritating one and the most hard to solve error. The third error is going to be an area code error. This error actually occurs when you go after making an account, you go and choose your local phone number. You would need a free local phone number which is going to be provided by Textnow in order to use this application. But when obtaining a number, you would get this error. Well, this error is also actually easily solvable. Now moving back to the 4th error. The 4th error is going to be the most irritating error. Well, even if you find or face an error during the second step, you are not going to lose anything, but in the 4th step, after actually solving all of the 3 errors, your account is going to get disabled starting from a day. Within 3 days, maximum within 3 days, your account is going to get disabled. You'd be shown this notification when you try to log in, that is, your account is flagged for violating a terms of use. If you think it has been disabled in error, you can submit it. You can submit an appeal for the review, and even if you submit an appeal, you would not get your account back. So yeah, I guess this is the most troublesome error. Now moving back to the other comparison application, Nextplus. The Nextplus has primarily just a single error, and that error is going to be when you try to choose, that error is going to be the same as the third error in the Textnow application. That is, when you are going to choose your own local phone number, this error occurs. But in Textnow, the third error, that is the area code error, is actually just too easily solvable. But in the Nextplus application, it's not going to be the same. This is the error. This is the single error which has been troubling users for quite a few time, and this error is actually close near to I mean, it's not impossible, but it's not even near to impossible, but still it's very hard to solve this error. Well, these error started occurring from the TextPlus update. Well, as you know, the Nextplus application is from the same TextPlus corporation, which is another market leader in the field of virtual numbers. Well, for you guys to know, each of these two companies, the Textnow company and the TextPlus company, has two applications. Textnow has Textnow on second line, TextPlus has TextPlus and Nextplus. In this video, we're looking at the Nextplus. If you want to know about the comparison between the Textnow and the TextPlus application, well, it was a video which I published when on 1st October 2023. So guys, please go take a look at that video too if you want to know the differences between the Textnow and the TextPlus application. Now, if I'm going to point out the unique features of both these applications, well, both of these applications contain a lot of advertisements, but me personally, I guess TextPlus has somewhat more irritating advertisements. Well, without an ad blocker, this application actually annoys me a lot. But one of the good things is that you would be able to earn credits by watching rewarded videos or playing games or surveys, etc. As you can see in my screen, I have 2 credits. I got these 2 credits from watching a rewarded video. That is, when I watch a rewarded video, I would earn about 0.02 US dollars, that is equal to 2 credits in the Nextplus application. And the user interface is pretty good in the Nextplus application. It has the same user interface as the TextPlus application. Now, this is the Textnow application. It has 4 login features, which is comparatively greater than the Nextplus application, which only has 3 options. There is no option to log in using mail in the Nextplus application. It only has Google, Facebook, and Apple in the Nextplus application. Well, now if I am going to say about the unique features, well, Textnow actually provides you completely free, like I was telling before, this application offers you guys entirely free calling and texting within the US and Canada. It is a very helpful feature, and its user interface is also pretty good. Just take a look at it. In the user interface, I would rate both of these applications equally. I'm personally against it. First, previously I was using Textnow. I've been using Textnow for more than 3 to 3.5 years, and TextPlus is actually a pretty new application for me. So I could just tell I got accustomed to this Textnow application. But now recently I've been using TextPlus more than the Textnow application, so I would rate both of these user interface similarly. But I feel that Textnow has a bit lower advertisements. Advertisements are annoying, and this has a pretty lower advertisement pop-up rates compared to the TextPlus application. While making unlimited calls and texts within the US and Canada is this unique feature. Meanwhile, the TextPlus application doesn't allow you that. See, I got a pop-up. It is annoying, yeah. But the unique feature of the Nextplus application is that if you are focused on using the virtual number application to make social media accounts such as WhatsApp and Telegram, then you can try using Nextplus application. As in order to make social media accounts, you would need to receive an OTP, and receiving OTPs in the Textnow application is actually paid, but you would be able to receive OTPs in the TextPlus application and Nextplus application entirely for free. As you can see in my screen, these are the OTPs which I got. Now moving on to the Play Store comparison, well, it has 50 million plus downloads. That is, the Textnow has 50 million plus downloads and a 4.3 star rating out of 1 million reviews. Meanwhile, the Nextplus application has 10 million plus downloads. Well, this is a pretty new application, but the Textplus application has the same 50 million plus downloads. But in this video, as we are only taking a look at the Nextplus application, well, Nextplus has only 10 million plus downloads. It has a pretty low rating compared to the Textnow application, as it has only 3.7 star ratings out of the 128k reviews. Actually, 3.7 you may think is a bit less. Is a bit bad rating, but no, 3.7 stars is even a good rating. But just the Textnow application has excellent rating. That's the only difference. And in terms of support, as you can see, well, Textnow has a bit of a higher support. If you're going to pay for these applications and use, Textnow actually does a pretty good job in their customer management compared to the Nextplus application. And some more important features which I should really mention is that Text Textnow has their application available on Windows, iPad, iOS, etc. Meanwhile, the TextPlus application and the Nextplus application is only available for mobile users such as Android and iOS. Well, guys, in my comparison, if I'm going to compare the pros and cons, and after everything we took a look at, I should definitely say the TextNow application is obvious winner. But before stopping or ending this video, I would like to show you guys how to solve the sign up errors. Actually, I just displayed you the problems, but I did not show you guys how to solve the errors, right? Well, if you want to solve all the 4 errors of the Textnow application, well, this video is a must. This video covers each and every single error in depth and navigates you how to solve the errors properly. So this video's link will also be available in the description in the first comment, so take a look at it. Now, if you want to solve the Nextplus area code error, then there's a video posted for it too. I posted the video before 2 days, so please go take a look at it. I got pretty good responses from the audience in the comment section, as they were telling that this video was really helpful to them. So please go take a look at this video too. It's going to be, this video's link is also going to be available in the description in the first comment. Even if it's not available, you guys please go and watch this video. Now guys, finally I would like to say thank you all for watching my video until then. If you did like it and enjoy it, then please go just click on the thumbs up button located below this video, and do not forget to click on the, like I told before, do not forget to click on the subscribe button, the bell button, and the subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed to my channel. Guys, and once again, thanks for watching my video until then. Let's meet again in the next video. Until then, it's me, Surya Prakash, signing off. Bye.